This is an emergency alert from ITV. All ITV channels should join in for this emergency announcement. The Met Office and the Tornado and Storm Research Organisation have reported a T4 tornado starting 2 a.m. travelling from Cardiff to the border of Scotland. Scottish and Grampian Television will continue normal programming with Nightscreen, but the rest of the regions shall continue broadcasting, unless the tornado sucks up your local transmitter. We will continue broadcasting new information. The Met Office has recommended to go to your basement or local shelter. If you are stuck inside rubble, try to keep food that you survived the tornado. We recommend canned goods, like beans, stew, tuna, chicken, and others. And to keep bottled water so you won't pass away from dehydration. For the affected area, the channels closing for the moment are HTV, Carlton, Anglia, Meridian, Granada, Yorkshire, Tyne Tees, West Country and Border. Channel, Grampian, Scottish and Ulster will continue broadcasting as they are unaffected. For the affected areas, we hope you can survive and we will hopefully continue broadcasting your favourite shows. Goodbye from ITV.